Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Right, so today we're looking at the top assets in the world by their market capitalization. And then the first on the list is lazy gold. Lazy gold, right? It's gold, and then Apple, Saudi, Aramco, Microsoft, Amazon, Silver, Alphabet, and guess what? Bitcoin. So Bitcoin recently passed 10 cents. Yep, of course, Bitcoin right now is bigger than Tesla. Yep, you heard that right. Bitcoin right now is bigger than Tesla, and currently bigger than 10 cents. And now we are going for Alphabet, and then we're going for Silver, and then Amazon. Bitcoin is going to be bigger than all these guys. You know why? These guys are not age mate with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not going after this guy. Bitcoin is going after number one. I did a video, right, where I explained, I'm sure I did a video when I explained how Bitcoin is better than gold, right? Just in case I can find it, you're going to see it pop at the top right or left right corner of this video. Please make sure you click and watch that video. But just in case it doesn't pop out, just be cool, right? I'm going to explain most of those things right in this video. So what would happen when Bitcoin gets to gold and flips gold, you see, and become number one? Very simple mathematics. First of all, here's how it's done. So you're gonna take, for those of you that have not gone through my course, let me just simply explain these things to you. It's actually very super easy. So you take the price of Bitcoin. If you've already gone through my course, you can fast forward this side, right? Take the market cap of Bitcoin and then divide it by the circulating supply of Bitcoin. That's the circulating supply right there, boom, and that's going to give you 55,538. So what's the current price of Bitcoin? 55,443. So it's very close. Now the reason why it's not 100% accurate is because, you know, this price here is always fluctuating, right? It's moving upward and downwards. All right, so that said, you get the price of an asset by dividing the market capitalization by its circulating supply. Now, of course, gold has no cap in terms of circulation, in terms of supply. There will only be 21 million Bitcoin, but gold has unlimited supply. Now, what would happen? Now let's go back. What would happen when or if the market cap of Bitcoin becomes $11 trillion? It's currently 1. What will happen when it gets to $11 trillion? So the first question is, how many zeros do we have in a trillion? So how many zeros in a trillion? Now, it's super weird I'm doing this on the video. Anyways, there are 12. So 11 trillion. Yeah, 11 trillion. Now let's assume that the circulating supply of Bitcoin is going to get to 19 million. Now, what is the circulating supply right now? Let's check. Sorry, it's loading. Circulating supply right now is 18.6 million Bitcoin. Now let's just take a wild guess and assume it's going to get to 19 million, right? So 11 trillion divided by 19 million will keep Bitcoin at $500,000, $578,000. When Bitcoin flips gold, or when the market cap of Bitcoin gets to the market cap of gold and overtakes gold, one Bitcoin is going to be worth over $578,000. Now, let's assume it happens quickly, and then we have our 18.6 here. That would make Bitcoin to be almost $600,000. Mind blowing. So that would be like how many times? How many X? So you do $600,000 divided by 55 will tell you how many X you're going to make when or if that happens. All right. So in more news, Rev Motorsports ecosystem shifts to Polygon due to Ethereum gas fees. Ethereum is having a bad day and it's not reflecting in the price because Ethereum has first mover advantage in terms of when it comes to, what am I saying, the platform where people build decentralized applications. But within the past couple of days, we've seen decentralized applications, dApps, moving away from Ethereum to mostly to Binance Smart Chain, Tron, EOS, and the one we just saw today, Polygon. Right. And I just hope the Ethereum community get Ethereum 2.0 out as quickly as possible. And I did a video recently on Ethereum 2.0 and why I sold half of my Ethereum for EOS. And in more news, legacy banks aim high with new crypto offering. Like I've said before in my other videos, this is going to be the trend in the next couple of months, in the next couple of years. You will see countries around the world, companies around the world trying to get into the cryptocurrency boat. When cryptocurrency first started, banks, you see, were threatening to close down the accounts of people using cryptocurrency. But the table has changed. Right now, they're the one coming into cryptocurrency. Right? So 3 undervalued coins that you might probably not know about. It's just coins like Prophecy, EasyFi, and Kava. I've been looking at these guys lately. So you want to grab some, please do, but also use an amount of money that you're willing to let go. Right? Don't put crazy money into these things because they can go down to zero. Right? So I have a hint for the Ethereum fans out there. Of course, I hold Ethereum. Apart from getting Ethereum out quickly as soon as possible, going feeless is the way for any blockchain that is ready for the future, right? And this article came out February 5th, like 15 days ago, and it says going feeless is the only way to enable blockchain adoption. And I've been saying this thing for years, right? And currently, most blockchains we have right now are not feeless apart from the EOSIO related blockchains. But the truth of the matter is, you're still very early in crypto, right? Bitcoin has not yet flipped gold, and that is going to happen. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, right? So this is 1 trillion, this is 1.4, and this is 1.4, this is 1.8. So it's going to happen. That is definitely sure, right? So don't sell your Bitcoin, because if you're selling your Bitcoin, someone else is buying it. You see? Whew. See ya.